Hello, everyone. My name is Matt, and I'm the founder of Yobo. Yobo is an e commerce platform for service based businesses. And today I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough of how the product works and what you can do with it. This product is designed for anyone that has a service business. And this is anybody with a house cleaning business, a pet grooming business, nail salon, someone that does auto detailing, lawn care, roofing, construction. Any business that is in the service industry can use this uh, platform to create to grow their business online through websites and online booking and quote generation. So I'm going to show you guys how that works right now. So right now we are on the home page, as you can see, uh, and it's pretty simple. It just kind of walks you through the features and what you can do with it. But we're going to skip this. I'm actually just going to go to the dashboard. So here we are on the dashboard. Now this is a demo account, so you can see that it says trial at the top there. And let me see, I'm not sure. So there are some services created, but we can create some here. Um, but as soon as you get to the dashboard, you get some analytics that you can tap into, which is the new bookings you have, total revenue from bookings through your website, new clients that you've added in the last 30 days, new clients that you've added in the last year. And right under that, there's a calendar with the bookings that have happened through your website. Now, Yobo works in two ways. If you have a website, you can take your online booking link and then just put that into your website, integrate it into your already current website, or you can go ahead and generate your own website on Yobo that has the online booking built into it. Um, so I'm going to show you guys how the services work here and how that booking form actually looks like. So let me go here to booking form. So this is what the booking form looks like. And as you can see, there's a list of services here: standard, deep, moving, and holiday cleanings. When you click on one of them, let's go over to the standard cleaning here, it gives you a list of options for you to select from. So how many bathrooms? I'm going to select one. How many bedrooms? One bedroom. How many pets? No pets. And which rooms to clean? Let's do kitchen, living room, dining room, and then we have a finished basement. And then at the bottom, it lists all of those rooms, the name of the business, the name of the service that's going to be provided. Go to next. An area where you can put all your personal information, select the date and time that you would like to request. Let's say we want it for 11:30 a.m. And then you can request a quote. Once that quote is requested, it's going to show up on this business's dashboard right here, and it's going to show up on the requests. So now the business can go ahead and click on requests. It'll show all the information that person just put into that online booking and quote request form. Um, and then they can look through it. If it all looks good, they can go ahead and convert it to a quote, or they can archive their request. By converting into a quote, we can go over to quotes. It's going to end up on the quotes page here on the left. So we click on quotes. And here we have some demo information. As you can see, we've tried, as we're building the product, we create a lot of demos. But let me click here on the first one that is the most recent one that I created. And if I open this quote, it's going to take me to the quote page where it has my company's logo, the demo company's logo. It says, "Hi, Louis Lanky," which is right now the demo client. And this page is designed to be a digital quote. It's a one-page website that's going to be sent over to the client, and they can look over it. And if everything looks good on here, on this area here, you would see a map, right, of the location of this address right here. Right now it's not working because we're on the demo version. And then under that, the service details, and then under that, a area where they can add some notes onto this quote. And then what they can do is take this quote and they can print and download it, and they can send it, or they can print or download it, or they can take this quote, the URL for this quote, and send it to this particular client here. And the client can look through it, and if everything looks good, they can approve the quote, and the status on this would be updated. So that's how the quote requests work, like on through the online booking. Now that's quote requests. Now we also have online bookings. Those are two different things. The quote request doesn't show you what the price of the service will be, but the booking, the online booking does, and it doesn't send it under to the requests tab. It sends it automatically to the jobs tab. So it creates a job for you because you can collect the payment for that job up front if you would like. So let me show you how that would work. I'm going to go over to accounts, and this is, we have some demo information here, and I'm going to update this to accept bookings, right? So now online bookings is turned on. And if we go back to our booking form and we click on the standard cleaning, and we go through the one bed, one bath, no pets, kitchen, living room, finished basement, dining room. Now you can see that under there's the price of the total service, right? Of this service, how much it's going to cost. So it's going to be $215. When you go to the next page, the button is no longer request quote, it's now book service. And the person's going to be taken to another page once they click this book service button. They're going to be taken to a checkout page where they can put in their credit card information and then pay for the service up front to complete the booking. So that's the difference between creating a quote and creating an online booking. And we did it this way because it gives the user, the company, the ability to choose whether they want people to request quotes online or they want to do something where it's more concrete, where the visitor has to actually pay to book and get on the jobs list, right, or on their schedule. So it kind of automates things for them. So it has two different sides that you can use, and that depends really on the businesses, um, what the business is more interested in doing. Okay. Now the next section we're going to go over is the quote generator section, and by clicking new quote here on the left, the same service that we created in this platform under this, like I showed you before on that list, the standard cleaning, the moving cleaning, the holiday cleaning, all of those, the moving cleaning, all of those services actually show up on your dashboard where you can create new quotes yourself manually. So let's say the person decides to just give your business a call. Let's say you have the website where people can book you online, but you also have a way for people to book you through the phone. And they call you for quotes. You pick up the phone and you're talking to them and you're getting all the information. And as you're getting that information, you're going through the same process that someone would go through online, but they don't have to do everything online. And it's still giving them, you see right here, and it's still giving them that same price. So I'm creating that quote for them. I'm creating that job for them right there in real time on the phone. If that person doesn't want to be using the website, if you have the ability, if you in your business you allow people to give your business a call and then book you over the phone, and if that's the case, then you can do everything through your dashboard. So right now we're tackling three different things, and this is the cool thing about Yobo is that if you have a service business, there's a way for you to collect quotes if you'd like. If you don't want to collect quotes and you want to let people just book you directly and pay for it up front, you can do that as well. And if you have other ways where people can email you or they can text you or they can call your business and then request a quote or request a booking on your schedule, you can do that as well through the new quote tab and go through the same process. Now, all of this works and it happens because this form here that I've shown you guys that I went through and clicked and changed, all of this is customizable and you can set it up and add as many inputs and add as many questions and add as many buttons as you would like, any way you would like, according to your business needs. And I'm going to show you guys how that happens here. So if I go over to Services tab, it's going to list the services that I've created. And when I click on a service, it's going to open up that service's information, the name of that service, the service description, the base price, the duration, how long it usually takes for that service to be done, and then some tax information if they want to add any taxes to at the end. Under that, you're going to see the service inputs. And now the service inputs is what. Now, the service inputs are the questions that will be showing up on that booking form that we went through. So you can see here, here's the question: how many bathrooms? How many bedrooms? Do you have any pets? Which rooms do you want to clean? And under it, under the name of that question, you have all the selections that they can make. So you have 1 bath, 2 baths, 3 baths, 4 baths. And if we click on this input here and it pops up, you'll see the name of that input, the question that we're trying to ask, right? So we actually forgot a question mark here, so we'll put that in there. You can choose the type of input that you want to show up on that booking form. So it can be a single select, a multi-select, and then we have a third one that we're working on right now, which is a number input. And it just makes it easier if, let's say, you have a window company, a window cleaning company, and some building or house has over 15 or 16, 17 windows that you need cleaned. Instead of having, 25 inputs here for people to select the inputs, um, the number input would allow you to just have a section where you can just click the plus button and or just fill in the number of how many windows there are, and it'll just do the multiplication for you. The multi-select is an input that allows people to select as many selections as possible. So under, let me show you guys actually what that looks like. Under this which rooms to clean here section, you can see that there's kitchen, living room. So I want to allow people to choose as many of these selections as they need. So it could be just the kitchen or it can be all of them, right? But under the single select, they can only select one input, right? So multi-select, they can select as many inputs as they would like, and single select, they can select only one input. And then the number selection input allows people to easily increase the numbers of how many of that input they will need. Okay. And it's very easy to create new inputs. You just click here, select bats. How much would 5 bats add on to the service? So let's say it's $20 per bathroom, and it's going to go up to $100 for 5. We're going to save. Let's see. Let's add another option here to the multi-select one. What can we do? We have the foyer. Let's say attic. Attic would be an extra $15. Save input and go back to all services. All that is saved and it automatically shows up on the booking form. So if we go back to the booking form and we click on our standard cleaning here, you can see that that 5th bath has been created, and you can see that the attic adds on that $15 to our $100 base price that we have on this. Now, if you don't have a website and you need a website for your business, Yobo also allows you to create a website for your company with all of these things built into it. And it's very easy because you can go, if you go to our dashboard here, you can go and edit your website, and it's going to take you to the Yobo website editor where you can log in and edit your website. And that website, I can show you guys what that would look like. So here's our cleaning business. And when I created Yobo specifically for my cleaning business because I couldn't find a product that allowed me to create a website that has online booking built into it, where I can customize the online booking the way I would like so that I can scale my cleaning business. So I decided to build it myself. And this is our website here. My company is called Bennett Home Services. And if you click on that book online button, it takes people to the online booking form. So I created that website with Yobo, and now I have the online booking form built into it, which people can then go and uh, go through the online booking process on our website. And that just really helps us save a lot of time. Um, and it changes the game for us because what this product does, what Yobo allows people to do, is to create an e-commerce store, but for services that usually wouldn't be able to be sold online, but now can be sold online. And we did this because more and more people are looking for ways to buy and manage the services that they interact with, whether it be cleaning, pet grooming, whatever it may be, beauty services. They want to do it in a much easier way. And this platform allows small businesses, local businesses, to be able to provide that technology to their customers, to their potential customers, to their community in a very easy to do way. And that's why we've created this. It's I'm super happy to show it to everyone. And if we go here on I don't know if I showed on the client section here, but you can see all the clients that can be created, and how you can interact with the clients and all the quotes that they've created. So this platform is really giving power to local businesses to really build an amazing scalable business that they can do online, as the world, or as more and more people, you know, as the digital economy continues to grow more and more and more, uh, local businesses need to find a way to provide their services online, and this is what Yobo will allow them to do. So that's the general story right there. You can check out Yobo by going to getyobo.com. If you are a service business and you're looking to try it out, you can do it yourself. Go to getyobo.com, sign up for a free trial, um, and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.